Hi everybody, I'm Greg. Welcome to Goodbye Gluten, where
Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel.
So today we are doing another product review. These are Katz gluten-free toaster pastry. So it's like a Pop-Tart. Let's see how well they do. Let's see, first of all, 220 calories per pastry. So, now it says you can put them in toasters, toaster ovens, microwaves. Okay. Now I've had Pop-Tarts when I used to eat gluten, that you get them and they were completely broken and just shredded. Wow. This is a little thicker than a normal Pop-Tart. See? My one problem now is these look like someone just sandwiched two crackers together, added some frosting. So I'm going to go ahead and do the toaster. Hopefully it doesn't set my house on fire. If it did, it was fun knowing you all. Because you got this opening, so I'm wondering if the jelly starts to heat up, it kind of like melts and starts getting into your toaster. But first of all, it says turn your toaster to the lowest setting and cook for 20 seconds. Okay. While that's cooking, you notice that it says gluten-free on our toaster. Because my son, or one of my sons, he doesn't eat non-gluten-free stuff. Oops. He eats gluten stuff, and so he has his own toaster, and it's also when my mom or relatives come to visit, and they can actually have their own breads, you know, in the toaster, and we don't get cross-contaminated. And we also have a travel toaster. Starting to smell like strawberry, definitely. Let's see what else is in here. They're nut-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. I don't think they're egg-free. Yep, contain eggs. So some of my friends, they wouldn't be able to eat these because they have eggs in them. Oh, time's up. I burned myself. Hot. Actually warm. They smell like strawberries. But there's another scent in there that I can't figure out what the smell is. It's like, I think it's burning sugar. Okay, they're dry. I think putting them in the toaster oven will probably be your better bet. That way you can cook them for about, 30 to 40 seconds to get them nice and hot. But let's break one open so you can see, whoops, what it looks like. So there's a little bit of strawberry filling in there. The frosting doesn't melt. So probably toasters, the toaster oven will probably be your best bet. They're definitely dry. I can't remember where we got these. I think we got them at a Walmart. I know I've seen Katz products at like Whole Foods in the refrigerated section. These, I'm going to give these things probably 6 out of 10. Just for the sheer factor is there's that weird, I don't know, taste. So definitely, you guys might like these. Your kids probably will like them. I'm going to pass on these from now on, but it's up to you. You're the consumer, right? I'm just giving you my my little bit of review here, and so I want to thank you for joining me today. And I want you guys to send us comments, send us questions, and hey, you got a product that you like and you don't see it on our list, give us a shout out and say, hey, you guys got to try this product. Okay, so remember what we always say here, goodbye gluten. Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean say goodbye to great food and great taste. This was okay. Bye-bye.